If you are looking for the pocket microscope, you've come to the right place. We attempted to include detailed information on the pocket microscope in our video, which should be sufficient to meet all of your requirements. All of them keep their features, prices, quality, durability, manufacturer's reputation, and genuine customer feedback. If you want to buy the pocket microscope, we believe this list will be very useful to you. All the products listed are in the description. Let's get started with the video now. Number 1. Carson Microbright Plus 60x 120x LED lighted. Ranking first on this list is the Microbright Plus by Carson. It's an Amazon's Choice pocket microscope that offers superior optics with a pretty powerful magnification range of 60x to 120x. Delivered by its precision molded aspheric lenses. This is one truly lightweight, portable, and compact microscope, everything a pocket microscope needs to be. And it's equipped with bright LED lights to illuminate specimens, which can easily be powered by a single AA battery. It even comes with a limited lifetime warranty. This pocket microscope comes in a standard black and gray rubber grip coating and is used by placing directly on top of the specimen being observed. The Microbright Plus guarantees clear, sharp, and distortion-free images, even when used as a handheld microscope for viewing larger and irregularly shaped objects. It might require a little practice to get things down to a pat, but it's definitely worth. Number 2. Carson Microflip 100x 250x LED and UV lighted. My second best pick is the Microflip microscope, also by Carson, which is a sleek little thing that is surprisingly powerful with its 100x to 250x magnification range. Pretty impressive, considering it's a pocket microscope. It's also equipped with bright LED lights and even a UV flashlight, giving you a wide range of possible uses. Plus, this microscope is designed with a specimen slide base that can be used to observe smaller specimens and neatly flips up when it's not in use. This product is powered by a single AA battery, comes with basic accessories such as a slide, cover slip, and wrist wrap, and also comes with a limited lifetime warranty. So it's guaranteed to last for a long time with you, no matter what. The best part, perhaps, is that the Microflip is designed to be used with a special adapter clip for a universal smartphone digiscope, allowing for an easy and hassle-free of capturing. And Number 3. Carson Pocket Micro 20x 60x LED lighted. Taking the third place out of all, the Carson LED lighted zoom field microscope with a spheric lens system on this list is the aptly named Pocket Micro, which, with its slim design, is easily one of the smallest pocket-sized microscopes I have come across so far. It only has a low magnification and zoom power of 20x to 60x, but that should be plenty enough to view lots of large and small specimens. Besides, it makes use of an aspheric lens system, so even with the low magnification, the images are still crystal clear and free from distortion. As with all Carson pocket microscopes, this one is also equipped with bright LED lights, is powered by a single AA battery, features a sleek, compact, and lightweight design, and comes with a limited lifetime warranty. This is a handy little microscope that can be used for a variety of purposes, such as in observing not just whatever you may find in nature, but also coins, stamps, rugs, fabrics, and more. Hence, it's a great imaging tool for kids. Number 4. Carson Micro Mini 20x LED lighted. Another surprisingly mini version of a pocket microscope, which is even smaller than the Pocket Micro, is the Micro Mini, which looks almost like a toy. In fact, it doesn't even come up to 2 inches on any side. Now, it only has a set magnification power of 20x, but that doesn't stop it from being a pretty versatile optical tool. It even features both a standard LED light and a standalone UV flashlight to better illuminate a variety of objects and specimens. Moreover, this microscope by Carson also features a smooth focusing knob, can be purchased in a variety of bright and fun colors, comes with a keychain, and is covered by a limited lifetime warranty. Despite its small size and low magnifying powers, this microscope is still a pretty amazing tool for students, hobbyists, and professionals alike who wish to explore the microscopic world. Number 5. Carson Microbright 20x 40x LED lighted. A more basic model of my top pick, the Microbright Plus, is the Microbright, which is also an Amazon's Choice product. when it comes to pocket-size microscopes. The main difference is that this one has a much smaller magnification range of 20x to 40x. This zoom microscope is compact, lightweight, and portable, and is equipped with bright LED lights for ample specimen illumination. And this lighting setup is powered by 3 LR44 button cell batteries. Moreover, the Microbright is designed to work with microscope slides, which is accommodated by a special mini microscope stage that doubles as a base. In fact, it even comes with 2 specimens. That's all I've got for today. All of the product links are listed in the description below. Every day, we upload videos, so don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to receive notifications about